What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. If you're learning a lot, drop some love on my Cash App at $EarthLocs. This helps me a lot. It also helps to support the channel. So the first thing we're going to do to get started with this cute and simple style is create our first section. So we're going to start here at the temple, okay? And we're going to go back, straight back. No matter your parting for your locks, just create a U part. So we're going to go straight back and in. Once we create that U part, we are going to come about parallel to the ear, straight up, and we're going to go straight back, all right? So this particular U part is not covering the entire crown, all right, which would go around here. So as you can see, the first section that we've created to make this style, okay, so as you can see, the first section we created to do this style is from the temple here, going up, over, and around. So we've made a U part right here at the front, and we're going to go ahead and put this in a twist. Okay, we're going to use an elastic. Okay, just put it on there just to keep that hair out of the way while we work on the back section, which is literally now we're everything at the back else of the head. All right, we have the front section that we just created just out of the way at the front, and now we're working with the rest of the hair. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is create a part straight down the middle, straight down the middle, the back of your head. No matter your parting for your locks, just make a part straight down the middle. Now that we've created our part down the middle and we've separated the hair into two different sections, we're going to go ahead and start working on the right side. And the same thing we do here, we're going to do the exact same thing. So here, working with this section, we're going to go ahead and remove the rubber band. We are going to create a part, all right, about here, going straight back, just like so. And we're going to make sure this part is straight too. This little bit of hair here, we can go ahead and just put that to the side. And the reason we're doing that is because I want this to be straight, okay? If your parting is not box parting, just create your part. Just create you a slither going straight back to the middle of your head on this side, all right? So that's the first section there. And I'm going to kind of put that out of the way as well. So I'm going to take a clip, place that out of the way, just like so. We're going to be making a total of 3 parts on this side. We're going to do the same thing. Now, because this is smaller, we're going to bring it down just a little bit like so. And we're going to go ahead and put this section here out of the way as well. Go ahead and put that up there, okay? And we have the last section here at the bottom. Working with the first section at the bottom, we're going to go ahead and create a braid going straight over to the middle, just like a mohawk. And here I'm going to be doing a over braid, and what that means is the locks are going to be going over, just like this, over, as opposed to going under. This would be under because we're going under, okay? What I've learned about corn rolling locks is doing the over method makes your corn roll a lot more sleeker, okay, and flatter. So we're going to be doing the over method, just like so, okay? Doing the corn roll straight to the middle. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Just like so, creating that braid. Just like so. And we're not going to braid this all the way down. We're going to stop. Just like so. We're going to put a rubber band here just to hold our braid into place. Just like so. So, working with this second section, we're going to do the same thing and create a corn roll. Okay? We're going to start just like so, creating an under braid. And once we reach the middle part, we're going to go ahead and do a plait. And we're not going to do this all the way. We're just going to do a couple of stitches. And we're going to put a rubber band there just to hold our braid into place. We're up here at the top with the last section. We're going to create a corn roll. We're going to start at the front, starting with our corn roll. Once we reach the middle part, we're going to go ahead and do a couple stitches of a regular plait. Then we are going to take an elastic. So, as you can see, we've created 3 corn rolls going straight back to the middle part. We're going to go ahead to the other side and do the same thing. All right, so now that we've finished our 3 corn rolls on this side and our 3 on this side, we're going to go ahead and put them together. So we're going to take the top 2 corn rolls, okay? Take the elastic off. And we're also going to take this small slither section here. Bring it down. All right, and we're going to join it with the 2 top sections here. So this is going to be 1 ponytail, including the 2 top braids and the small section that we excluded from the corn roll. So we have both corn rolls from each side and that small section into 1 ponytail, just like so. We're going to go ahead and get that out of the way, just like so. And next we're going to take the second row, both braids from each side. We're going to do the same thing. Like so. Now you have a second ponytail. We're going to put that up out of the way. And of course, we're going to do the same thing at the bottom. And now we have a classic mohawk. All right? This is a classic mohawk sectioning, okay? So once you've done your 6 braids and you've created your 3 ponytails, we're going to go ahead and move into the next step. And what we're going to be doing here is some beautiful lock petals, okay? I'm going to be using clear elastics or rubber bands because I'm working with red hair. If you have black hair, use black rubber bands. I'm just using the clear because of the color of the hair. Now, I also want to mention that you can see the clear rubber bands because the light is reflecting off of them. We're going to get into these lock petals. If you don't know how to do lock petals, please check out my video right here at the top of the screen, how to do lock petals. I'll also leave both lock styling techniques that I'm using to do this style in the description box, okay? So let's get into these lock petals. So as you guys can see, I am into these lock petals, and I do apologize. I was not filming when I did these here, okay? But we're going to continue doing these lock petals. And again, please check out the video in the description box or in the cards. All right, how to do lock petals.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's VQs.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them a random. Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit.
And all of the lock petals, we're going to go ahead and move on to the front. The section that we had out of the way, we're going to create a part, okay? Just like so. So that we can have two sections. You have two sections. And what we're going to do now is a corn roll. The same as we did.
Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
So nobody better than you. I know. I said nobody better.
We're just going to plait all the way to the end as much as we can. Then we're going to add a rubber band. What we're going to do to close the end is take our locks and fold them upward, just like so. Okay? I'm going to take a rubber band, secure that. Just to polish up that end there. As you can see, the hair is kind of like folded up here. So we are going to tuck that straggler just like so, and we're going to continue to just secure that. Now we're going to do the same thing here and create our two braids at the front and our cute lock petal.